Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. Welcome to our Monday technical analysis video where we're discussing major currency pairs and their significant levels. So as every Monday we start with the Euro US dollar, and actually we go through all the majors to show you what do we expect and what we're gonna be focused on. So what do you see in front of you? Euro US dollar as usual, and as usual we don't trade Euro US dollar for now just because it's still ranging and the situation here is pretty uncertain. So I go just directly to the GBP US dollar. GBP US dollar is staying still in the middle of the range, of course. We discussed last Friday that actually GBP US dollar is following very, I would say, wide range between 1.3298 and 1.3044. So as you can see, we're talking about a couple of hundred pips range, 350 400 pips range. So definitely I wouldn't focus on GBP. Also don't forget we have many fundamental events this week, and also specifically about the Brexit. Again and again, Brexit is the major topic on the news, so definitely it's gonna bring much more volatility on the GBP than usual. Australian US dollar still testing the support level 0.774 with resistance 0.7203. I'm gonna keep the same levels on the Australian dollar, US dollar. I'm not gonna change anything. Just wanna see how the Australian is gonna react. No major events this week, so let's see how the Australian will perform. New Zealand US dollar. Regarding the New Zealand, we're expecting on Wednesday interest rate decision. So according to the forecast, we can see that the New Zealand bank is going to keep the same interest rate, 1.75%, like previous interest rate. So this is gonna cause very big volatility on the market for sure. 1 a.m. GMT time on Wednesday, we expect the release of the interest rate. So regarding a little bit more about the technical level, 0.6941 as resistance is quite significant. As you can see, tested 3 times. And of course, we are staying right now on the support level between 0.6883. So New Zealand, definitely interest rate is very important for the New Zealand dollar this week. USD Canadian, of course, our favorite correlation, Canadian dollar crude oil. The Canadian dollar is testing actually the resistance 1.34439, and as support definitely I'm gonna follow very closely 1.3374. So what's going on with the crude oil? Let's take a quick look, because we follow very carefully the crude oil in order to predict the USD Canadian prices, because they are connected, as I already said a couple of times. 57.80, definitely significant support level. The price, as we discussed on Friday morning, the price did a significant drop, sell-off, absolutely usual Friday sell-off. As you can see here, we're talking about it's about $1.8, which is definitely big one compared to the average volatility of the crude oil. So I'm not gonna be surprised if we see a testing of the 57.80 support level. So let's jump directly to the daily. Absolutely uptrend, no discussion here. So we can see definitely very interesting price action around the support level. Otherwise, of course, we could expect continuation to the upside. What does that mean? If we see the crude oil continue going down, actually USD Canadian can easily break out this resistance level. Just be careful, because practically we have resistance zone here with between this level 1.3466 and this level 1.3443. So if we see breakout of this resistance, this means that definitely we are gonna see a breakout to the downside of the crude oil. USD Swiss, so interesting currency pair, sitting right below the parity level 1.0, 0.99, also round number, is a significant level, a significant support zone. So let's see what's gonna happen with the Swiss franc. No major events on the Swiss franc this week. We have a couple of events on the US dollar, by the way, on the economic calendar, but I don't think that they're quite significant in order to create very big volatility on the USD Swiss franc. USD Japanese, very good breakout of the support 110.35, so which is actually our resistance level currently. Of course, as a next support line, we can say this level, as you can see, is trying to bounce back on 109.76, and also here you can see the price was tested again. So if we see breakout of this level, definitely it's going to be very interesting shorting opportunity, or test the resistance level can give us good shorting opportunities as well. So USD Japanese, I would say right now is trying to change the trend to the downside. We had definitely an uptrend, as you can see here, broke out the support line, and very strong bearish movement, so which is actually indicating changing the trend currently. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to be updated, of course, with the newest videos that I'm uploading every Monday, Wednesday and Friday morning. Also, of course, thumbs up if you like the videos, and of course, subscribe to our social media channels, Forex, Merit Forex in the Facebook channel, of course, Instagram, 1 billion signals everywhere, we're everywhere. So if you want to see more videos like this, thumbs up. Thank you very much, enjoy the week.